Good morning everyone, and welcome to MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. I'm John Powell, and today we're going to take you on a quick walkthrough of our 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is one of the most popular boats in Sea Ray. We're glad to offer this particular boat in black with the white interior, and there's a number of features that we'll go through as we walk through the whole thing. We're going to start right back here on the stern, where you see we've got this lovely SeaDek on the boat. It's also running off throughout the boat, which is a new for 2019 option. But here in the back, we've got this wonderful flip down swim step, which will fold all the way down flat into the water. Our dock's limiting us a little bit at the moment. But it's a wonderful place to just sit back, relax. You can climb in and out that way if you want to. There is a ladder as well, of course. But if it's just floating in the cove or hanging out for the day, it's a wonderful place to sit in the water and just take a load off. You also have this large lounge slash sun pad here in the rear. I've got this side kicked up just so you can see how this will work. The other side will do the same, but underneath this side is also one of your largest storage compartments on board. You can see it's a very deep, very long storage compartment that will stow just about anything you might need to put in there, so that you don't actually have to leave the stern of the boat to enjoy yourself. You've got cup holders and a power port for blowing up your gear on this side. On this side of the boat, we've got a built-in cooler here in the walkway. You can just throw your ice and your drinks in there, and you're ready for a full evening or a full afternoon here on the back of the boat. Trim tab, or trim controls for the engine if you were putting her on a trailer. Freshwater sprayer. Your fuel filler. Door for, I guess, discouraging your dog from going out the back. And this boat has the optional step if you need to get up a little higher onto your dock. Not all of these have this feature, but this boat is equipped with the optional sink. Again, runs off the freshwater tank, so you've got that if you need it. Now here in the cockpit, you notice it's a very, very large cockpit. This boat is yacht certified. What that means is you can take as many folks as you want to. You just have to have a life jacket for everyone to be legal. You got seating for at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this will flip-flop. So you can now lounge back the other way. You can add a couple of extra people, or you can just sit back and enjoy it. And this side, behind the helm, does the same thing. So now you've got room for the entire party. Large bimini up overhead with a foldable tower. You can see there is plenty of shade to get out of some of that hot Georgia sunshine. Moving a little bit further forward, there's a large floor compartment. Your second big storage area on board the boat. Again, lots of room for all of your gear. And of course there's storage underneath the cushions as well. To move a little bit further forward, we're going to look at the helm. This is equipped with the Simrad flat screen helm. That's multi-display function. Right now I've got it set up on the instruments, but you can select your chart. You've also got engine information, and you can swipe around to show various displays. You can also control your stereo, your vessel control. There is a tremendous amount of functionality built into this dash. Fusion stereo unit, which will do Bluetooth and satellite radio if you decide to select that option. Trim tabs, all the switches that you need for everything. The helm seat does have a bolster, and so does the passenger. Digital throttle that goes with the new Mercury system. This is all fly-by-wire, and you have push button start and stop. This boat is equipped with a pump out head. This one has the upgraded bathroom interior, so you have the counter and the sink, and of course there's a light, and there's a window that you can open up as well. Lots of space in there. Small glove box, good for cell phones or small items that you need to keep also right there on top of the dash. This boat is called the SDX, but the former name was SunDek. And with the SunDek, it's very much a deck boat. Up here where it matters, the boat bow is flared out so that you have lots of extra room. Now you can have two people lounge back and forth just like you normally would, but if you want to have extra seating or have extra people along with you, you've got room for at least almost 5 people up here. Rails to grab hold to, and this particular boat is also equipped with the windlass and anchor. Stereo speakers all around, and you can close off the bow with this and the windshield, which helps you in those cooler months, knocks out a lot of the wind back here in the back and gets you some extra boating time. And last, of course, but not least, this being an exceptionally well optioned example of the 270, this is the Mercury 8.2 liter V8, the big block. So this boat is a top performer. You can also have the Mercury 300 and 350 as optional engine choices as well. But this one's got the top motor. Well, folks, thank you for taking this quick tour of us with us on the 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Again, I'm John Powell, and you can see this boat down here at MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. You can reach us at 770-781-9370 or find us on the web at www.marinemax.com. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day on the lake.